Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the screen password to pattern lock. So in this device I set the numeric password. You can see, enter it, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to change this password to the pattern lock. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock, tap on screen lock. Enter the current password. Then from here you need to select the option pattern. Then here enter our old password. So to create the pattern screen lock, we need to connect at least 4 dots. Then draw the pattern. Again confirm the pattern. If you want to enable the fingerprint, then you can enable, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you. Swipe up. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock instead of that numeric password. So simply in this way you can change the screen password to the pattern lock. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.